day and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. You're welcome. This is a channel Income Up where we discuss how to make money online and especially through cryptocurrency. Now today I'm discussing airdrop that is in vogue at the moment. By the way, if you have not downloaded Telegram and you are not part of this move, you're missing a lot. Go and download Telegram, and if today is your first day of coming across the channel, do way to subscribe, like the video so that more people can see it, and hit the notification button so that when I bring videos like this that will be educative and profitable, you'll be notified. This is Hamster Kombat. There have been a controversy on which of the coins will be the gain of those that are mining. You know, normally it ought to be this coin you are seeing on the interface. This is like 101,440,947. But this controversy that most likely it will be the daily profit. This one I just circle. Profit per hour, you know, here is 526.998,000. That this is going to be what would be the benefit of those who have been mining, and some are saying no, that is going to be this very one. But what I'm going to say, because of the experience we had during Notcoin, because we have mined Notcoin, you know what I'm talking about. And if you didn't mine Notcoin, please don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss it. If no, at the moment they have over 24,000 miners, subscribers on their Telegram, and over 4 million on Twitter. That's a pointer that this is a huge project and don't have any reason to miss it. But what I will advise is this: do both. Grow profit per hour and also grow the coins. And apart from that, when you are growing the profit per hour, usually you discover that you have to be buying the cards. These are the cards. You'll be buying them. It's when you are buying them that your profit per hour will grow. Make sure you buy them. So and also invite. At least make sure you have invited up to 10 people, because some of this card will not open until when you invite other miners. Now, and when you are inviting, make sure that these ones are special cards. They are the most profitable. Buy these ones. And these ones will always increase your profit per hour more than the normal cards. You know, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, one more time, please subscribe. And you know, if you are not yet there in the Hamster Kombat, you will see the link. The invitation link is in the description. If you can't find in the description, just check the comment section. You'll see it there. And you can also join my Telegram group, you know, where you'll be finding all that link that are very profitable. Thank you and God bless you.